So today's lesson that I want to cover is Selenium Waits or the wait commands in Selenium. Can you hear me?
Yes, I just mute.
So
Yeah.
you can hear me and see my screen, right?
Yes, of course.
Okay, great. So Selenium Waits or wait commands. So what is this wait command and why do we need waits? So that's what we're gonna cover today. In Selenium, sometimes some web elements may take longer than other elements, uh, especially some, um, the some elements like alerts. Uh, they are built in this way that it appears after like uh, a few seconds after the page load. So that's what the programmers, created. So that's the way how this should work. So so that we can handle this kind of the web elements and the web behaviors. We need to handle this with the help of wait commands. In Selenium, in Java, it's also called synchronization. So in Java, there's a default synchronization command. That's thread.sleep. Um, Let me explain to you. Apple.com, for example. You see page loaded. Uh, Basically, it was Google. I think we or Amazon. After page load, if you pay attention, some elements appearing after after a few seconds on the web page. Some elements. It might take longer, and that's also called synchronization issue. So some of the elements appearing immediately, some of the elements are loaded a little. It takes a little longer. Uh, Let me show you. You see, this alert is coming out a few seconds after the page load, even this one. You see, now we need to do some kind of action. But if you don't do any action, Selenium will not handle that. Your test cases will fail. those kind of actions we need to handle with the help of Selenium wait commands or waits. So by default, the Selenium WebDriver doesn't provide any kind of waits. So default wait time is 0. That's why if you do not apply wait, it will fail. So today we're gonna cover this wait commands in Selenium and what is thread.sleep and the implicit wait or the wait types in Selenium, like implicit wait, explicit wait, fluent wait. All right. So the wait commands in Selenium, as I told you, there are wait commands. WebDriver can generally you know the Selenium WebDriver has the documentation. This Selenium official website, selenium.dev, provides very good documentation for this waits. If you go to the selenium.dev and the documentation and then WebDriver and click the waits, there's documentation. You can read about this. Uh, so so if you don't handle this waits, uh, we're gonna get some kind of exceptions like element not found, element not interactable, or element not visible exceptions, or etc. And we sometimes we might think that this is like an element locator might not working, but it's not. Element locator works, but because of the synchronization issue, this kind of exceptions might happen. So in automation testing, wait commands direct test execution to pause for certain length of time before moving into the next step. So wait commands tells the Selenium to pause for a certain length of time before moving uh, execute before continuing execution of the next command. So this enables WebDriver to check if one or more web elements are present or visible or the clickable and etc. So when a web page loads on a browser, so all the web elements like buttons, links, images that we want to interact may load at various different intervals. So time intervals. Some of them appears immediately within 1 second. But some of them might take longer. So in those kind of situations, we need to handle. Otherwise, the Selenium doesn't provide default wait. So in Java, there is a default wait. So there is a class called thread, and that class has a method sleep. So let's see that in our example. Let me download the Chrome driver. '95. Chrome driver 95. Okay. Okay. Let me write this. Okay. Driver dot Chrome dot driver. So we set the system property. Then we need to create driver object here, driver, and to import the web driver and also Chrome driver. So with the help of driver object, now we will get the URL. So the URL we want to use is this website. So this website, okay. I want to show you the very good website to practice Selenium commands. 1 second. website, liveground.com. Let's use that website instead. Ground.com.
Hello, Zuraket. Good.
Okay, you.
Sorry.
Now I see two nothings. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So there's a good website, liveground.com. Let me ping you to practice the Selenium commands. So for every uh, behavior of the website, there is an example on this website. There's a button, hyperlink, image, and the drop-down radio button, checkbox, tables, alert. See? So there's also weights here. So once we land on this page, we need to click on this, wait for text change, or wait to appear. So once we click it, you see it will take some time. After some time, this is changing, right? You see? Make sure you get that text. So now when uh, you see there's only 4 columns. After some time, there another column is appearing. So if you pay attention, the 5th one will appear
Yes.
uh, between this text and this text. One of our friend is missing. You see? No, that's not that one. Oh, this one. This one is appearing after a few seconds, right? I'm here, guys. Yeah, this one. So let me get this way to appear locator. So it's check with the class. Check with the class. Okay. Check with the image. Img. Still 26. Check with the 5. Okay. Still. Mm. Okay, we need to find the unique locator for this wait to appear button, wait to appear link. So Okay. So let's write the next part. Post, uh, the- so wait to appear. We need to identify this one. Basically, uh, CGA icon. Wait to appear. Okay, we can take this text actually. So basically, we can do h5, h5 text equals wait to appear. Let me see. One second. Wait to appear. So it's finding. Okay. Now img. No, it's not. So it's not um child of this. That's why we need to write the sibling element. Sibling will be uh, like 1 second. I do a mm, following sibling. Oh, there you go. So you see, this is sibling elements. They're in the same position. They have a common parent, which is anchor tag, this one, A. But we need to identify this image. Basically, we need to identify this link, basically this anchor tag. We can click anything here. So that's why I'm getting with the image. So I'm identifying this wait to appear text using this locator strategy. And then I'm identifying image using the following sibling. Um, you see this is following sibling. To get the sibling element, following slash following sibling, colon, img. So this is the way how I'm getting this sibling element. So I will take this. Now I will put that into the um, so after this, let's maximize the window. Dot manage dot uh, dot window dot maximize. All right. So then once we get there, we need to click dot find element by dot export. Then um, here we need to provide the path we have built. And then once we get there, we will write this web element name is what is that? Um, appear, appear. So let's call it appear. Okay, we need to import the web element. So we are storing this into the web element called appear. Then once this appear element on locator found, and we need to click on it. Appear dot click. Oops, uh, not clear. Click. So after clicking on it, then we need to get this I'm here, guys. We need to get this. Okay. Uh, we can get that with the text. Again, we can get that with the text. B, uh, B, text, plus, see, um, so, all right. Let me see. What if I say contains? Contains. If I say contains, I need to change the text from equals to the comma. I need to put before the square bracket, I need to put the parentheses here. So check with the voila. Now text here. Okay, with this one, it's finding. All right, so good. Now let me get the locator, and we need to write the driver dot get. I mean dot find element by dot to expand, right? By dot expand. Then we put that expand here. And this is gonna be our web element. Web element. So we can say like um, so uh, so button. We can say last button. Last button. Last button. Right. And now we need to click on the last button. Dot. Now this test will fail. Why? Because when the page loads, this element is not there. After a few seconds, it's appearing. So let's run this. So it failed. You see? So let me write the driver dot close. It will close the browser next time, obviously. So test failed. So let's see element not interactable exception. So we're getting element not interactable exception. But the problem is with the wait time. The wait time, you see, it didn't find this element. So you need to read the exception, and it will tell you the line of the code where it's happening, this issue. Selenium Java, line 18. Line 18 is this one. Because this line 17, it didn't find this element. Now the problem with the click is actually wait time. Right? So we can see within 5 seconds it's appearing here. So if I put thread.sleep, before finding this element, if I write thread.sleep, 5,000. 5,000 means 5 seconds. If I put thread.sleep, then so I need to add throws declaration. Okay, now let's run it. After clicking this, wait to appear. Now our test will wait 5 seconds, and then it will start searching this element, and it will find it, and then it will basically, yeah, it will find this, and then it will click on it. So basically, it's we don't need to click on it. Basically, we need to print, right? We need to print it. We need to print the last button. But not the web element. We need to print the text. That's why we need to write last button dot get text. Get text method will get the text, and then we will print. All right. Now let's see. Let's run it. Okay, it's opening, maximizing the window, clicking on the wait to appear, and waiting 5 seconds, then getting the text and printing. You see? Now
Yes, I see.
it works. You see?
Yes.
But what is the problem with the thread.sleep? Why people don't want you to use the thread.sleep? For debugging purpose, you can use it for debugging. For example, I'm just trying, right? But the problem with the thread.sleep is, let me explain. If you use the thread.sleep while performing Selenium test automation, it will stop execution of the script for the time specified in the script. So this time you are specifying in the script, it will just blindly wait. It will not do anything. It will wait 5 seconds, and then, so irrespective of the fact that the element on the web page has been found or not. So even if it finds the element within 3 seconds, it will still wait 5 seconds. It will just pause the thread for 5 seconds. It will not do anything. Just stop the thread. But the problem is the element might appear on the web page earlier. It might appear in 2 seconds. Then the rest of this 3 seconds, the other 3 seconds will be wasted. So that's the issue with the thread.sleep. That's why people don't use Selenium waits. Don't wait for the complete duration of time. You see, Selenium waits. They're more smart. They're more, That's why they don't wait. Just they don't blindly wait 5 seconds. But if you use thread.sleep, it will just wait 5 seconds, and then it will proceed to the next command. So thread is a Java class, and the sleep is the static method of thread class. So we can use it using this class name, thread.sleep. Thread.sleep causes the current thread to suspend execution for specified period. Sleep methods accept duration in milliseconds. So you don't provide in seconds. It's a millisecond. 1000 millisecond is 1 second. So that's why I have written 5000, right? Inside the parentheses of the sleep. So it throws illegal argument exception if the value of millis is negative. We cannot provide negative value inside the parentheses of the sleep method. And sleep throws a checked exception, which we must either throw or handle it using the try catch. You see, that's what I'm talking about. This one, throws declaration, or you need to, if you don't use the throws, then you need to handle this with the try catch, right? And now, so thread.sleep syntax is like this. So you already seen that. It is a static wait. Execution will be on hold till specified time. So disadvantages. So downside of the thread.sleep is we make WebDriver to wait specified time, the specific time, whatever time we are providing inside the sleep, it will blindly wait. So what if the search result appears in just uh, in in 1 second or 2 seconds? Then the WebDriver will wait other uh, so the WebDriver will wait 5 seconds, and the element appears in 2 seconds, and the 3 seconds will be wasted. It will increase test execution time because even if the element found in a few seconds, the test still has to wait 5 seconds. So the test execution time will be increased. It is not good. So we need to solve this issue, we need to use the Selenium wait commands. All right. So this is about thread.sleep. We can use the thread.sleep for only debugging purpose. So debugging means you need to check. You need to check if it is a wait time issue or not. If it is a wait time issue or not, then you can use it to check. All right. Let me put this second. Okay. For debugging purpose, we can use it, but in test cases, we don't use it. All right. So now, so what the Selenium is providing us to solve this issue? To solve this issue, Selenium is providing wait commands. So there are multiple waits in Selenium. The implicit wait or the explicit wait. So what is implicit wait? Implicit wait tells the Selenium WebDriver to wait for a certain measure of time before throwing an exception. Once this time is set, a WebDriver will wait for the element before the exception occurs. Once the command is in place, implicit wait stays in place for entire duration for which the browser is open. Its default setting is 0. You see, by default, it's set to 0 seconds. So, which means it doesn't wait any time. So that it wait, you need to provide the wait time. Implicit wait is the wait type that is based on the time. All right, it is time based. Whenever you're explaining the implicit wait, so you need to explain this is the wait type that tells the Selenium WebDriver to wait a certain measure of time before throwing an exception, and it's only based on the time. So it's time-based wait. It's set only one time for whole WebDriver commands. For all of them, you just set one time, and it will be applied through all the web page. All of your web elements on the web page. So its syntax is the syntax is driver dot manage dot timeout dot implicitly wait, and you provide the value of the time and the unit of the time. It takes two parameters. One of them is the value of the time and then unit of the time unit. It might be in seconds or in minutes or milliseconds, all right? Based on that time unit, you will put the value here. So, however, implicit wait also might increase the test execution time. So let's apply this first. Let's see how this implicit wait works. Because implicit wait it's different than the thread.sleep it's the difference is implicit weight. If you put, let's see, let's put implicit weight in our test case. So instead of this thread.sleep, we're gonna put implicit weight. All right? Let's put implicit weight. All right. Now, um, a minute. All right. Let me see. 1 second. Manage dot timeout dot implicitly wait. Ah, implicitly wait. See 5 seconds and time unit dot seconds. Um, what is wrong? Let's see. Let's search. Let's search. On the Selenium official documentation. Let's see how it is. Um, initialize next. Where is our explicit weight and implicit weight? Okay. Okay. There is. It's the same. It's the same. Why is it not working for us? Let me put this after this browser. I mean the driver object. We create a driver object and then it's still the same. What is this? The method implicitly wait long term from the type WebDriver timeouts is deprecated. Implicitly wait. Why? Let's see. Timeouts dot implicitly wait. Let's see 5. Okay, let's put just the method implicitly wait in type WebDriver timeout is not applicable for argument int. What is it? It's accepting. Let me see. Let's see. Let's execute this. Let's check. What happened? All right, let's run it one more time. So wait to appear. So let's execute without the wait. Okay. I don't know why it's not working. Can we try on your end? Let me send you this code. Can we try on your computer?
Just a moment. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Not yet. Just a few seconds. Yes, I can see.
Just a moment. It's a wait class.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so you copy that code and you just create a new class inside that Selenium testing. Yeah, inside that, create a new class. Create a new class. And
Wait, right?
yeah, Selenium wait or wait. And just call it Selenium. Yeah, wait Selenium. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay, just copy
Just a
that code.
moment.
Okay.
I try to run.
Yeah,
Oh, that's
copy it, paste.
something.
Now you need to, yeah, you need to delete that first line 6. Yeah, line 6. And then now you need to
Import.
Modified, yeah, import WebDriver. Import the Chrome driver, yeah, web element. Now you need to change the path for your Chrome driver. Your Chrome driver is inside your
Oh, yes.
inside your project folder. You see, so
Yeah, I'm gonna delete this.
yeah, you need to delete, and you can copy from your my first test.java. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just put parentheses and semicolon. First closing parentheses. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, now it's
So,
good. Now we are good here. So what is the problem? Yeah, you need to import the by.
by.
Yeah, just hover over the by.
Okay, that's it. Okay, no problem here.
Import by. Okay. Now, yeah, run it. We'll see that.
Oh, I should delete the driver clause temporarily, right?
No, you don't need to. So it should close the browser. That's fine. But uh, did you update your Chrome driver? I mean the Chrome browser.
No.
So check your Chrome driver, Chrome browser version. Chrome browser
Oh,
version.
uh-huh. Just
Check. Go to your Chrome browser.
mm,
Chrome browser. It's on your yeah. Just go to your Chrome browser.
Chrome browser.
Yeah, Google Chrome. Just open it. Yeah, open it and check the version. No, just three dots on the right. Yeah, three on the top on the right. Yeah, just click and help about Google Chrome. Yeah, it's 95. And download the, you need to, or let me ping you. I already downloaded, so you can use that one instead. Um,
Okay.
Let me send you. Yeah, it's sending. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, just save somewhere.
Run.
No, don't run it. Don't run it. Don't run. Cancel. You need to download it.
I already downloaded.
Yeah, where did you download it? Just you need to get that. No, don't run it. Yeah, save file as. Yeah, save file as. Save it on your desktop. Go to your desktop on the left. On the left. On the
This
left
PC.
desktop. Desktop. Yeah, yeah. Save it. And from your desktop, yeah, just right click on it. Go to properties.
Extreme.
No, just properties. Yeah, and copy the location. Yeah, copy it. Just highlight it and copy it. Control C
Okay.
and go to your test case in Eclipse. Yeah, open your Eclipse and put that location here. And hold on 1 second. Don't delete the Chrome driver. Just inside the double quotes, delete the driver. Delete the driver. Just driver. Don't delete everything. Delete just driver. Yeah, yeah. Now Control V. Yeah. Just change the forward slashes into backslashes.
Oh yeah.
You see
Okay.
the forward slashes after, yeah, before the Chrome driver? Just change it to backslashes. Yeah, that's it. That's what you needed. Just save it and run it.
The heck.
Oh, maybe you have, oh, that's, um, you see you have Rabochi stall. That's what Java cannot read. Maybe you need to, so go to your driver folder. Just close this, just close this. Yeah, go to your driver folder. Oh, is it running?
Is hap- Has it? What's happening
Okay,
here? I don't
let's
know.
see.
I don't know what's going on here.
Okay, 1 second. Wait. Yeah, there's a problem. So you need to delete that driver from your driver folder and put the driver from your desktop inside your driver folder, inside project folder. So just
Mm,
select, copy,
copy. Copy as
select,
pass.
copy. No, not as path. Just Control C
Oh, okay. Control C. Okay.
and yeah, and then go to Eclipse. Yeah,
And
and inside your driver folder, driver. You have a driver folder. You see, inside there, you have driver, Chrome driver. You need to delete that. Just delete that and then, yeah, paste. Uh, yeah,
what
you
did
need
you
to,
try?
no, it will not delete. Just, you need to stop the execution. You go to the run. No, go to the run. It's on the top.
Okay,
No,
run.
no, not there, not there. Run. No, it's a file. You see the file edit source refactor. There's a run window. Yeah, that one. Run, and then you need to. Um, no, not run. Let me check 1 second. Um, oh, that's fine. I just don't remember which command was that to stop the execution. But
Qarang-da.
there's
Qarang-da.
another way you can do it. Just rename this one, just Chrome driver.exe. Just rename it. Rename it.
Just a moment. Qarang, bitta nima bor edi, aka. Mana bu siz aytgan nima, siz Mac o'zingizga tashlab oldingiz-ku, buniki boshqa xil-ku. Yoki uni farqi yo'qmi?
No, I don't use Mac. I am using the Windows.
Oh.
So that's the
Refactoring.
same. So just rename it. If you double click on it, I think it can rename it. Just double click. Oh, it's opening. Just close it.
Refactor.
Close this. No, just
Rename.
close it. Yeah, rename it. Did you rename it?
Did you see my screen? Do you see my screen?
Yes.
Waits,
No,
Selenium.
just close it. Cancel it. If you click, just no. If you click on top, if you click it, it should rename.
No, it's not. I don't know.
It
Just
should.
this. Just this. Rename. No.
y-
Hello?
Yes. I think there should be a way to delete this, and you should be able to delete this inside your project folder, not here on the Eclipse. Inside the project where this your project Selenium testing, where it is located. I mean, not inside this, uh, not not in the Eclipse.
Oh, okay.
It's in your on your laptop. You saved it somewhere.
Yes, I know.
Yes. So go there and try to delete that from there. You open your Java-Selenium folder on your desktop. You have Java Selenium folder. The folder, yeah, this one. Open it. Selenium. No, not this one. Go to your inside your documents. I think it's inside your documents, not downloads. Documents.
Oh, documents.
No. Where did you
Downloads
create it?
Manaku. Chrome
No,
driver.
that's Selenium testing. Your folder, where is it located?
I don't know.
No. Just check on your Eclipse, the location. No, go to your Eclipse. Open your Eclipse.
Okay.
On your project folder, Selenium testing.
Right here.
Right click on it. Properties. It's inside the C folder, users, Nasim, Eclipse workspace. Just copy this location. Yeah, location, copy that. Yeah,
Okay.
copy that and go to your search bar and search, paste it. On your search on the bottom, your search on the bottom, not on the Eclipse, on your bottom, search it. Yeah, now click on this. Yeah. Now you are inside this Selenium testing. You see the driver folder? Driver? You see the driver? Second one.
Yes.
Open it. Delete that Chrome driver. Just close the Chrome, the Eclipse. Just close the Eclipse. Yeah, close it. Yeah, save it. Okay, close it.
What's going on here? Save.
Hold on 1 second. Just delete the path. Delete the path. Just close this. Close this.
Okay.
And delete the path. Delete the inside the set property. You put the path, right? Location. C colon. Just delete that.
See.
Where you put the system.set property, inside the system.set property, you put the location of your driver. Just delete that location.
Okay.
Put the just double quotes. Put the double quotes. No. No, don't delete the comma. No, no. No, why did you delete the double quotes from the WebDriver to Chrome driver?
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, got you. Got you.
No, comma and two double quotes. Yeah. Now save it and close it.
Should I delete?
No. Yeah, try to delete now.
The action
Still.
can't be complete because we Chrome driver close the file and try again. What is going on? No, I can't delete.
You have opened 2 times. Maybe you opened this somewhere else. You need to close.
Okay.
You you can rename it. Go inside your driver folder. No, to rename it, you need to edit that name. You need to edit that, not check. No, no, not check. To edit
Edit.
that, you need to click one time, and a few seconds, click another time. Yeah, that's the way how you edit it. Edit the name. Now you need to rename something else, whatever it is.
So what should I?
Rename whatever it is. Just put 1, 2, 3. Doesn't matter. Yeah. Now you need to paste that Chrome driver from your desktop.
Shu yerga nima qilayinmi, qo'yayinmi?
Yes, you need to copy it again from your desktop and paste it here. Just use your Alt tab. Alt tab. Yeah, just copy it.
Okay.
Copy it and paste it inside that folder, inside the driver folder. Yeah. You paste it. That's it. So go open your Eclipse again.
Oh, I. Okay. I need to open. Okay. Okay.
Now you have this Chrome driver now. You need to provide the path of your Chrome driver from your, just copy from your myfirst test.java. No, it's there. It's my first Java in the Eclipse. Now open your Eclipse. Go to your next tab. Next tab. No, it's next tab. You have on the top, there's a wait selenium.java. Yeah. It was there on the next tab. Yeah. So copy that location path. Now copy it. Just copy it. Go to wait selenium.java. Just change the tab. No, don't open it. Change the tab. On the tab, on the top, you see on the top. Tab.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Now put that. Yeah. Now
Single slash.
you need to, yeah, because you put the two quotes. You put two double quotes. Just delete that backslash. Delete that backslash. Backslash at the end as well. At the end too. So just save it and run it. So what happened? So it executed. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
So it executed, but okay, can you uncomment the line 21? Just uncomment the line 21. Yeah. Now throws declaration. Add throws declaration and save it. Now run it.
Oh yeah.
You
Well,
see,
I'm
now
here,
it's working.
guys.
Because
Yes.
this is the timeout issue or synchronization issue.
Oh.
Because that element, that last button, is appearing a few seconds after the page refresh, after the page load, right? So that was the
Yeah.
problem. So now thread.sleep just making the Selenium just wait 5 seconds, but that element is appearing in 3 seconds, and 2 seconds are wasted, right?
Yeah.
To avoid that, we need to use implicit wait, because implicit wait, it will put maximum time, but when the element appears, if the element appears in 3 seconds, it will not wait 10 seconds. It will wait only 3 seconds, and then it will continue executing the next command. So that's the difference. Implicit wait will wait only until the
execution completed. The command is complete. If the command the line 24 and line 25 is one command, right? This the finding the element and then getting the text. That will be executed within 3 seconds. Then the next command. So within 3 seconds, so implicit wait will wait 3 seconds and then it will go to the next command, which is driver.close. You got it? The difference?
Yes. Yeah.
Now let's comment the thread.sleep. Let's comment the thread.sleep, line 21. Comment it out and uncomment the line 14. Yeah, uncommented. Yeah, you need to import the time unit. Just save it. And run it.
Oops. Oh, this is not where expected.
Okay, so implicitly wait. You don't have any error, but it didn't print, right?
Yeah, not any error here. So 10 time unit that second. So it's gonna be just second. Wait just a second, right?
Yeah. The problem is it's not so the implicit wait is waiting only the in our case it's not applying the wait time, so we need to apply explicit wait. So explicit wait is the wait type of the wait that no, not don't change it. No,
Okay.
it's not that way. So syntax is different, totally different.
Oh, okay, good. Yeah.
So just try to just copy the line 16. Copy the line 16. Copy the line 16. You have this my first test Java, right? My first test.java. You have this one, and now you have after the line 13, leave a space after the line 13 and paste that. Paste it here.
And here also I need to.
Yeah, you need to put that. Copy from Wait Selenium and put that. You have 2 commas. Yeah, delete one of them. Now save it. and run it. Yeah, check your console. It's still running.
What's going on? I don't know what's going on.
So the line 20, it's saying this element is not found, right?
Oh yeah.
So on the Google, that text is not found. Check that. Check on the Google, on the browser. On your browser.
Browser?
No, open your browser. Google Chrome.
Okay.
You see, that text is not. If you go to google.com, just type google.com and go enter, hit enter. So try to inspect that Google offered in. Is it working with the ID?
ID, yes.
In the, okay. Try to, I don't know, try to apply the thread.sleep then.
This one?
On your Eclipse, So where you should apply thread.sleep? After line 19, you should apply thread.sleep. Wait time. Should apply it. Wait time.
Uh-huh.
Because that element is appearing later. Add throws declaration. Now save it and run it. It's not appearing. If you paid attention,
Yes, because
that is not
it's
appearing at all. No,
maybe I
just
put the 10,000.
no. Google offered in is not appearing at all.
Yeah.
So you better use something else. So that's fine. So let's don't waste our time, and let's go to the next type of this Selenium Wait type next time. Let me share my screen, and
Okay.
let me explain the next one. So implicit wait will wait for every comment. For every comment, it will wait. So
I don't see
can you
your
see my
screen.
screen?
No.
See.
Just a moment. I'm sorry. Okay. Now I see. Now I see.
All right. So implicit wait. We set 10 seconds, but it's globally set for all the comments. For all the comments, we have all the comments. For all of them, we set globally this implicit wait. We set it globally. So this is how it works. Selenium will apply this for every comment. For example, this is a one comment, this is another comment. For every time, it applies this implicit wait for every comment throughout all this your tests. So you created this driver object, right? Web driver object. So web driver object until it's live. So you have this one web driver object inside your one file. And for all this comments of this driver object, with the driver object, you're using the web driver commands. For all of them, this wait will be applied. But the problem is some specific cases, so we need to wait more than this. In some cases, we will have to wait more than this, or we will have to wait based on some condition, not just the time. It's only based on the time, right? This implicit wait is based only time-based command. But sometimes we need to wait based on the condition. Sometimes we need to wait based on the condition that in that cases, we need to use explicit wait. So explicit wait tells the WebDriver to wait until a certain condition is met before proceeding with executing the code. So it tells the WebDriver, it tells the Selenium, hey, I have this condition. If this condition is good, if this condition is okay, then don't wait any other time. If the condition is already met, then proceed with other commands. That's what explicit wait. So it is condition-based command. If in case that condition is not met, so it's not correct. Condition is not, didn't work. Condition was not met. And then it will wait, based on the time. Based on the time you provide. Okay? So explicit wait is the type of the wait based on the condition and time. And if the condition is met, then it will not wait. If the condition is not met, then it will wait until the time you provide. So setting explicit wait is important in cases where there are certain elements that are naturally take more time to load. So it's if one sets the implicit wait command, then the browser will wait for the same time frame before loading every web element. You see, it will wait for every web element. It will be applied globally one time, and it will wait for every element. But in explicit wait, it will be applied only for this or only for that specific element you are applying explicit wait. It will not be globally. It will be locally to that specific element you are applying this explicit wait. So if someone asks what is the difference between implicit wait and explicit wait, then you should reply that, you should answer that implicit wait is based only on time based, but explicit wait is condition and time based. That's the first difference. And another difference, implicit wait is set globally and it will be applied to every element. But explicit wait is applied only certain element, only the particular specific element you are using this explicit wait for. So you're using this explicit wait for certain element. That element will wait only based on the condition. If the condition is not met, then the time you're providing. So this is the this will save the time that you're using for execution. So it will not waste your time. So the implicit wait will might waste your time because it will every time your that might if that sometimes your element might take less than your time you're providing for the element and this for the implicit wait. So explicit wait is the type of the wait that tells the browser wait until the certain condition is met. If the condition is not met, then wait until the time programmer or the tester provides. So implicit wait might cause unnecessary delay in executing the test scripts. So you should use the explicit wait, instead of using the implicit wait if you can. So that's the smart way to save the time. So how this explicit wait works? So there are two types of explicit wait. So the first one is the WebDriver wait, and the second one is fluent wait. So these are the conditions that I was talking earlier. So based on the condition. So it will check if the alert is present, element selection state to be, element to be clickable, element to be selected, frame to be available and switch to it. Invisibility of the element located. Invisibility of element with text. Presence of all the elements located by. These are all the conditions we can apply with the explicit wait. So let's check the explicit wait in our test case. So I will just comment this. I will comment this. Let me check the. So explicit wait syntax is this is the syntax. So we need to create the. So this is the syntax. Let me. So WebDriver wait is the class. So we need to apply for this one. So WebDriver wait is the class. So that's a class. We need to create an object web. So WebDriver wait. New WebDriver wait. WebDriver wait. Wait. That's our class. It's our class WebDriver wait. We need to create an object of the WebDriver wait, but we need to use web element. The web element. We need to create an wait the object. And we're gonna import the WebDriver wait from Selenium. Now, what is wrong with my? Oh, what is wrong with my Selenium? WebDriver wait. Let me copy this element. So something wrong with my. I think I'm missing some kind of classes. jar files. I believe I need to fix this. But you can try with this command. So I need to. So this is the syntax. You will create the object. of the WebDriver wait, and then using that object, now it should be wait, okay, wait dot, then you need to use the giving me error. I don't know why. So I think I need to add jars. Yeah. I don't know, something is wrong with my Selenium. I believe there is some jars missing, but you can try with this explicit wait. We can
Okay.
do it tomorrow if you want.
Um, I don't know, maybe.
Maybe next time.
Yeah, next time. Maybe next time, because,
Yeah.
that's...
All right. So let's continue next time. We'll see the explicit wait, implicit wait. I will fix this error. Then we will see these examples with the explicit wait and implicit wait.
Okay, not problem.
All right. Sure. Yeah. And next time we will see we will finish the wait times, and we will see also the fluent wait. That's another wait. Okay, so that's it for today. Do you have questions?